Good afternoon this Tuesday, the 31st of January. I'm Grady Wolf, market analyst with Bell Direct. Well, the local market recovered from the red start to the week in early hours of trade on Tuesday before falling in afternoon trade to close the day 0.07% lower, as investor optimism was initially boosted by weaker than expected retail sales, before confidence was dampened by the fact that lower retail sales than expected will not necessarily have an impact on the upcoming RBA interest rate decision out next week. Consumer staple stocks led the market gains today, while information technology stocks were sold off amid investor fears of prolonged interest rate hikes to come. Retail sales for the month of December tumbled 3.9% to $34.47 billion, despite December traditionally being the busiest month of the year for retailers. Department stores were the worst hit, with a decline of 14.3%, while clothing, footwear and personal accessory retailing fell 13.1%. The decline in retail sales caused a sell-off in retail stocks like Myer, Chic and Lovisa today. However, investors now hope the RBA will ease its rate hike stance at the next meeting on Tuesday next week. Software-defined networking company Megaport tanked over 24% today after releasing a quarterly trading update, including cash from operations was $0.2 million, down from quarter one, with lower receipts from customers. Total net cash flow of minus $11.9 million, which is a further dive from the prior minus $9.6 million in the prior corresponding quarter. And the company burnt almost $50 million in cash from the same period a year earlier to close the quarter with $57.5 million in cash. Infant formula producer Bubs Australia crashed more than 9% today after also releasing a Q2 trading update, including group gross revenue down 28% on the prior corresponding period to $14.3 million, driven by gross revenue from the Chinese market down 66% for the quarter amid prolonged lockdowns in the region. International gross revenue for the quarter was stronger, boosted by US shipments and the company recently making progress on its journey to gain permanent US regulatory approval. The winning stocks from today's session were led by Woolworths, jumping 3.77%, while corporate travel management added 2.7% and EVT rose 2.55%. And on the losing end, Megaport took the biggest hit today, closing the day down almost 25%. Sayona Mining fell just under 12%, and Allchem closed the day down 7.5%. The most traded stocks by Bell Direct clients today were Winsome Resources, Whitehaven Coal and Mineral Resources. On the commodities front today, oil is down 0.32% at $77.65 a barrel amid rate hike decisions by central banks out this week, as well as Russian oil exports remaining strong. Gold is down 0.15% today at $1,919 an ounce, and iron ore is up 4.42% at $130 a tonne. Further economic data released today included Chinese manufacturing PMI data for January, coming in at 50.1 points, which was above expectations and was growth from December, indicating the Chinese economy is recovering faster than anticipated after the scrapping of harsh COVID-19 lockdowns. The Australian dollar is buying 70 US cents, 91.63 Japanese yen, 57.31 British pence and 1 New Zealand dollar and 9 cents. And that's all we have time for today. Have a wonderful evening and we'll see you in the morning for the morning bell. Happy investing.